In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Metamask wallet address. The first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up Metamask just like so. Now, what you need to do is you need to figure out what asset you are trying to receive or send. So let's just say, for example, you wanted to go ahead and send some Ethereum. Then you need to be on the correct network. So at the moment, as you're able to tell, I am on the Ethereum network. But if you guys want to go ahead and send something like BNB, then you need to go over here towards the select the network and then search BNB. Or if it doesn't show up over here, you need to go ahead and press on add a custom network and then just add the network name, the chain ID, the currency symbol, and all this information. But if you already are on the correct network, then all you need to do is you need to press on this button over here that does say receive. And from here, it is going to give you your wallet address that you could use in order to receive Ethereum, because every single asset has like its own unique address. So this is my Ethereum address right over here. So basically I need to go ahead and copy the address, and then on the other wallet, you need to go ahead and send crypto to this wallet, or you guys could use the QR code as well. Both options are viable. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.